Hi and welcome back for part 23. I was somehow unable to load up my latest version of my latest save game. So I had to go a little bit back just before the last migrant wave arrived. And I built up a little bit more of my wall, so I will be better protected. Also, some of my new migrants went into a strange mood. He created a muscle shell bracelet called Zutshotstobot. That's a very nice name. Like the last time, you have like 3 or 4 different strange moods. Here we have him. It is Ast. He created the artifact. And he started on level 1 with the bone carving skill. And when he finished the job, the artifact, he got legendary. So that's pretty nice. So I have a legendary bone carver. It's too bad he already picked up a pickaxe, because I thought, well, make that silly bone carver a miner. But anyway, I guess I turned this off. It will be a nice weapon as long as you keep it. I will be carving some nice bone crafts for him. So let's get back to Dwarf Fortress. Let's check enter. Let's check with the E key for the artifact. No, I guess it's the L key. Where is it? Oh, it's just our first. I guess this is our first. So our previous strange mood didn't happen since I had to reload an older save. This is worth 4800 only, but that's okay. I think our previous artifact was worth more, but that's okay. It's not that it's not that much anyway. So I was creating an extra craft dwarf, since I will also be storing these adamantine stones, which we will be using to craft more weapons. And that you need to make strands from these stones, and that must be done at a craft dwarf. So it's nice to have at least 2 of them. As you can see, my smelters are working on the bituminous coal, so that's nice too. I've carved out a huge area where I will be storing my bars and my raw ore and stone to craft and smelt all these weapons and wells and statues from metals. Oh yeah, I've created a lot more rooms for my dwarves to sleep in, since I'm already way over 50 dwarves, and they all need a separate room. Since, as you can see, most of my dwarves are in the yellows. Well, they're getting into the greens, since I have a nice fortress. But if I want to have them all in the light green, I should be making bedrooms for them. What's more to talk about since last time? Well, I almost finished my wall. Since I finished this wall here, my dwarfs that were outside or want to get outside, or like north of the river, they don't have access, since this bridge is completely walled off. So I had to create another bridge. When this wall is finished, I'm not completely safe, since I have just an opening here. And I want to talk about mechanisms and switches right now. This is actually pretty important. I want to make a switch so my dwarves can raise this bridge. So what do we have to do? We have to... Well, you don't have to, but since this is the meeting hall, almost always there are idle dwarves sitting here. doing nothing. So this is actually a nice location to put some switches near. So when I activate the switch, or want the dwarf to activate the switch, there's somebody very near to actually operate the switch. So I will be building, I guess. I have to search a little bit for it. Machine component. Oh no, I'd already seen it. It's here. Traps and levers. So capital T, I guess. Then I want to make a lever first. Let's make a lever right here. I've been making choke mechanisms a couple of videos previously. Doesn't really matter what kind of mechanism or what value, what weld value you make. They're all functioning the same. So we will be putting up this lever. In the meantime, I'm going to my workshops and to my mechanics workshop, and I'm gonna make a bunch of more mechanisms since we will be using those very soon. Let's just hope I'm not getting a siege or an ambush, since I still don't have my military up, and as you can see, my bridge isn't up. I can't raise my bridge yet. My wall isn't up, so I've still got a couple of minutes till this is finished, I hope. Well, if you get a siege is completely random. I believe sieges start from 70 dwarfs, so I'm not in that threshold yet, but an ambush is from goblins, about 6 to 10 I believe, and it can already be deadly. Yeah, so in the meantime, I guess I will be putting up a lot of stockpiles. I will be making these 5 by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5, and here 2. Not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. Yes, you need a lot of them. Well, if you want to order it like me. So that's good. Here's some more, and I guess I split this up. Perhaps I'll do it later. So for this one, I want. Oh, I actually forgot to put them all on stones and stuff. Disable this. And for here, I guess I want bars and blocks. Enable. Forbid all. Block all. Here I want coal. And this is actually not the bituminous coal. It's the coal that's already been at the smelter. So the actual fuel. Coke. As you can't find coke here. It's kinda strange, but this is actually the coke. So about this, I'm gonna put up, since when you smelt actual ore, they change into bars, and you can actually put bars into bins, so they take up less space. The raw ore, they don't. It doesn't go to bins, so it will take a lot more stockpile. So with that in mind, I will be putting the raw stone. No, not this. Block. Disable. Stone. Enable. Forbid economic stone. Forbid other stone. Forbid clay. For the metal ores, I will forbid all, and I will pick my own. Let's see. Oh, where actually is the coal? Oh, it's here, economic stone. So in this stockpile will be going the coal. Change settings. Disable. More stone. Enable. Block all. And in this one I will put the lignite. So these first two stockpiles will store the resources I need for to get the fuel. Disable. Stones again. Enable. Block all. Now to get metal and eventually steel, I need magnetite here, limonite and perhaps hematite also are metal ores, but I guess I've a lot of magnetite for now, so I will just be storing magnetite. Later when my magnetite is finished I can change this stockpile to limonite or hematite. So for these others, disable, stone enable, block all. Let's have some gold nuggets. Change this one, disable, enable, block all, and silver. I believe I don't have that much platinum or aluminium yet. No, silver. Let's see, what do we have more? Well, for now this is okay, I guess. I could be going to, I believe, C stocks. Can I actually search for something? Zoom, view, no. No, I can't search for something. Actually want to know what kind of ores I have lots of, so I can store these as well. Oh, I forgot one more. Since I need flagstone. This is set, yes. I also need flagstone to make eventually steel. So stones enable, forbid or block all, economic. Dolomite, chalk, marble, limestone I believe too, but I don't have it on my map, I believe. Well, at least I have marble and chalk on my map, so that will be enough, I guess. Yeah. So this is actually enough to make silver, golden, and steel and iron weapons and crafts and furniture. This one stores the coke. Yes, I still need to stock. Oh no, this is a stockpile that stores the bituminous coal and the lignite. Good. Alright, let's. I have to set these off. Disable all. Otherwise, my animals get dragged in there, I guess. Disable, change disable, and I believe since I didn't choose while building these, I didn't choose actual blocks, the type of material that goes in it. But since these are stones, they don't need bins or barrels. Or ores, like I told you, they don't go into bins, but coke does go into bin. Since this is our coke stockpile, we will press V, I guess, to add a couple of bins, or you can press capital V to to maximize the bins. Here you see 36, so this actually has 36 squares, 36 tiles. So there will be direct 36 bins to it. We will also be, our carpenter's workshop is done. We made a lot of beds, you can see, but still not enough, I think. But we will be making a lot more bins, since soon we will be getting our metal industry up. And I guess we need a lot of beds too. And I repeat that. In the previous video I didn't show this, I guess. You have to store raw adamantine. This is actually the stone you dig here. And as you can see, all the coke will be getting stored here. They all bring it. So that's awesome. We already have quite some coke. So that's nice. We can start on one. So cancel this task and make some iron. Smelt magnetite ore. Repeat that task. And obviously I need some stockpiles that store this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's too bad. No, I can make stockpiles of 3 by 3. Yeah, that's perfect. So more stockpiles, and this will be bars blocks. So create 9 stockpiles here. These can be smaller, since a bin can hold a lot of blocks. And since you can see, it's already on max, the max bins. Since I changed from animals to actual bars and blocks. So this is already on. Now block all. Metal bars. Let's put iron here. That's all. Change. Block all. Metal bars. Let's put gold here. Block all. Let's put silver here. And here we will be putting steel. Block all. What's more to put? Ah, I guess that's okay for now. I can put the back one on all kinds of, except the ones we already designated. Iron and gold off, silver off, and steel off. And I won't be storing this, so F to forbid, 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 forbid. And once we get a couple of steel bars, I guess that's already steel. Oh, I forgot to put this off. You have to block everything on the other stockpiles. Block, change. Otherwise it's gonna make a mess out of my system, and I don't want that. I want everything organized. And this is good. And this is also good, I guess. No, not yet. Yes. Oh, and as you can see, I have to make some new food stockpiles here, since it didn't get saved. Change settings, food, block everything, just use prepared food. Change settings, food, block everything, and just use drinks from plants. Permit. Yes. Oh, and I have to take it. Take from stockpile. So this is the food stockpile. take F5. This is which one? I think this one. Yes, this one. And this one should take F5 from this one. So they get replenished faster. Wall almost done. Let's check on our switch or lever. Finished. So we have our lever here, and we can add a new task to it. And there's a long list, but we want the top one, link up to a bridge. So we press B, and you see here are our two bridges I made. I also made one a little bit to the left here, but hey, what happened? I guess you don't have to. You can't push up and down. Just the plus and the minus. So back to the switch. Add a new task. B for linking a bridge, and you can press the plus, and you see here's a bridge, and plus again. Here's our other bridge, and we want to assign this bridge. So where our crosshair is over. So enter, and you have to choose a couple of mechanisms. Doesn't really matter. So this bridge will be linked to the trigger. So that's awesome. When that's done, our fortress is pretty much safe for anything except flying creatures. And obviously this section of the wall needs to be finished. Let's see if any wall is suspended from... No. Good. Perfect. It's also nice, I have a lot of dwarfs, but no idle dwarfs, so they're all busy. At least with gathering some materials, items. I can start on these rooms. I can actually show you guys how macros work. I actually don't exactly know. Remove construction, I think. No. Q, yeah, this one. I can press X. So here I want all doors coming up. So I could actually press Ctrl R to record a macro. I'll be making another video about macros. Yes, that's better. The next, some migrants. So I will be checking out the migrants, and then I will be making the new video. Let's see what we have here. I can go to... Oh, I make some changes. Yeah, I have to commit the changes. No, I'm gonna put them on here. Yeah, read the dwarf in. Scroll all the way down. You have a blacksmith. We already had a blacksmith, I believe. No, we didn't. So that's nice. These are all pretty useless. We have a lot of them. Let's see, we have plenty of fishers. Cooking, I guess that wouldn't hurt. We already have 2 good cooks. Milking off, plant processing off, cheese making off, beekeeping off, farming fields, that's okay. So cooking, soap making off, this can all be off. You could actually make some siege operators. We will be going into that soon. We also have a miner, an extra miner here, so that's nice. Let's see, this can be off. Don't need another hunter. Let's put him on masonry and stone detailing. This one too. This can be off. Some extra smelters here too. I actually have to get a manager soon. A manager can manage your buildings. For instance, you can set a specific dwarf to just work in that building, or a certain skill level. So not all my useless dwarfs are going to make like rock crafts, but just the ones that have skill in it. So I could put this guy up in a certain shop to always produce nice chairs and nice tables, and I can put up another shop to let these skill up, the one with a little bit skill, and the others will just be building the fort, building the actual walls, the floors. I guess that's something for another video as well. What is he doing? Farming the fields, that's good. We have a cook here. This guy is a brewer, that's nice. So is this set? I guess so. Yes. So commit the changes. Alright. I'll be seeing you in the next video, where we'll be setting up some macros to ease the process of creating some rooms or some repetitive tasks. See you guys next time.